Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we'll be making magical magnesium bath crystals. So let's get started. Okay, to get started, you'll need your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of Epsom salts. Alternatively, you could use magnesium chloride flakes, which are available through a quick search on Google. You'll need 1 cup of solar salts, which are mined from the Great Salt Lake region. 1/4 cup of OptiMSM, which is great for your skin. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of citric acid. And 1 teaspoon each of white camphor essential oil and eucalyptus essential oil. And I chose these oils because they're great for this time of year for helping to relieve yourself from all of the cold winter weather. Okay, this is very easy to make. You simply add all of your ingredients, your Epsom salt and your solar salts and your MSM, your baking soda, and citric acid. And simply mix this up nice. Alternatively, you could just put it in your container and shake it up. I kind of like the way this looks. I thought it looked magical and kind of wintry and beautiful. And finally, you add your eucalyptus and white camphor essential oil. Of course, you could choose any essential oil that you'd like. This is a perfect remedy, though, for relaxing. The Epsom salts do great things for your muscles. MSM is good for your skin. The solar salts are full of all kinds of minerals. This is just a really fantastic bath. Okay, part of the fun of this and what makes it additionally magical is it's a fizzing bath soak. So check it out. Just like a champagne bath. Beautiful. Thanks for watching today. You can find links to all of the ingredients in the description of this video by clicking the More button directly below. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber, and we'd love to share more great videos with you. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy your new magical magnesium bath crystals. Thanks for watching today. We hope you enjoy your new magical magnesium bath crystals. You can find links to all of these ingredients in the description of this video by clicking the More button. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. There's lots of great videos to come.